Hashtag bread gang. Nothing good ever happens on this channel when we start at Bojangles. He didn't even come in the right way. What a guy, what a guy. Oh, he's ready. Oh, he's ready. Oh, he's ready. My windows were down. Well, that's the intro. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. We're about to get kicked out of Bojangles. I was gonna film a oh, he's not even. Noah just said screw it. He's going straight in. Noah's going straight in. Do it for the bread.
Hey, that's one way to make an appearance, right?
That's how you make an entrance right there.
Uber is here.
My windows were down.
Oh, fuck. Don't worry, I know a detailer. His name's Joey Mascio, Mascio Detailing. Hit him up, get you flexible.
Information right there. Bam, done. That's awesome. That's how you make an entrance right there. So, let me set the stage for you. We have a film shoot, whatever you want to call it, that we're doing Wednesday. I'm getting rid of the squat hopefully this weekend. We're going back to the 7-inch block. And I have something coming to the truck that's going to prevent me from doing any off-roading. So, my buddy here, Noah, agreed to come out with me so we could send it through the mud one time. So that's what we're gonna do. Obviously he started a little bit early, so it's my turn now. So is there mud all over the inside? Sick. Let's get this bread. We're just gonna jump into it. Let's get to it. So this is what he did when he pulled in, and look, just flung shit all over it. I wasn't ready for that. Hold on, let's take a look. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, there's nothing inside at all. No, it just got all over the outside. We're trying to convince Logan right now to take his car in the mud. How far are we getting in convincing you to take it in the mud a little bit?
Depends where we're going.
Just maybe right out here a little bit? Like right out this way?
Right, part 2 will send. Yeah.
Little send it?
Yeah.
I mean, you got a big truck and a Jeep.
I got straps.
I have kinda straps.
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that.
Kinda straps.
She'll look funny.
This is gonna get interesting really quick. He just set the stage like we gotta, how are we gonna top that now? Yeah, we gotta raise the bar a little bit.
See, let's get into it.
Okay. Let's get this bread. That was so much better than the first time. And my ball joints are still there. Yes, sir. Hey, that was so much cooler than the first time. I hope that footage turned out. He wants to go through one more time. I'll put your windows up. Ugh.
Why am I so stupid?
Why are we stupid? Music on, because I gotta.
I'm not. I'm just making sure it's charged.
Yeah, copyright and whatnot now. No.
Through the mud hole we go.
Whoa!
With ease.
With ease. I love it.
Logan's car.
Yeah, it just washed yesterday too, so.
That's what you get for not going through the mud, Logan.
Rest in peace. Well, I think I have to now, right?
Rest in mud. My man whipped the donut and just completely. Oh my God.
No headlights.
Headlight delete mod.
Just washed yesterday.
Oh, bro, it's just that's I'm out. Get the buff out.
That's oh man, that's great.
All right, well.
That's great.
Guess it's my turn to swing it a little bit.
Are you gonna swing it a little bit?
Yeah, let's swing it around here. Get a little dirty.
This ain't that bad. This one you can go.
We're looking good though. We're looking good. We're looking good. Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right, Logan. Let's get this bread. This is it, guys. Lowered car in the mud. Fling something at me. Oh, God.
In hell.
Said fling something at me, right? Said fling something at me, right?
No, he doesn't do it.
Ah, he got me. Hey,
I'll take
that's
that.
good.
Said fling.
I kind of deserve that.
I just
What did I do?
hold on. Let me let me wipe the camera off a little bit.
Holy fuck. Oh my God.
This is what we get. This is what we get.
He's pissed.
That's like so disrespectful. Let's hey, pull yours up like right there. Oh no, oh no. Showing up to the Subi. Hashtag bread gang. Yes, sir. The good news is I can just take the jacket off and I'm good. Logan's car, the Jeep, and the truck one time. Ah, I got dirt in my mouth. My mouth was open.
It kind of looks cute out there, you know.
It does look kind of cute.
Might have to get like.
Can you?
Yeah,
I got something on my face.
How about yes?
Oh,
do I have anything
great.
on my face?
No.
All right, bet.
Just a little on your
you
neck.
got stuff on your face, bro.
Great, great. Let me go. That's what I get. It's picture time. So that's about it for today. We're on a race against time. We got a professional film shoot on Wednesday. So we got to rush and get these things clean today and tomorrow so we can get ready to do that. I do have a Adam Polishes care package that I'm gonna be putting into use for that. So stay tuned for that. Real quick, shout out to my man Noah, NZ Productions right here, Logan Lamb 11 right here, and Amar. I know Amar doesn't have an Instagram, but I'm still gonna put his right there. Y'all go blow my man up. He's got a badass truck on the way. But who can I? Let's
What are we doing?
what is it?
Huh?
What do we say?
Oh, let's get this bread.
Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread.